Like most kids, I grew up obsessed with toy cars. Anything round became a steering wheel in my hands. So when I finally learned to drive, the steering felt natural, like it had always been a part of me. Over time, driving became more than just a moment. It became a feeling. The hum of the engine, the rhythm of the road, even the bad roads. I kind of loved it all. Driving taught me presence, mindfulness, the art of being still while in motion. And the best part is, now I get to share that joy through every POV drive I capture. For me, driving isn't just an activity, it's a way of feeling alive.